How to get Grubhub gift card. Let's get started. Launch your Grubhub app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now head towards the account page. Now go to the option gift cards. You will find two options over here, redeem a gift card and buy a gift card. Click on the option of buy a gift card. In order to get gift card on your Grubhub account, you have to purchase it. If you want to send Grubhub gift card to your friend, you have to tap over here. But if you want gift card for yourself, click on this option, it's for me, and then click on continue. Now you have to select a gift card type, digital card or physical card. Now select the category. You're gonna get tons of gift card options. You can select any of these and then click on continue. Now select the price and quantity and click on continue. If you have promo code, you can type in over here and click on apply. Once you fill this, click on continue. With that, you will get the gift card. So this is how you can get Grubhub gift card. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.